The Ford Motor stock price fell by -4.90% on the last day, Tuesday, 1st March 2022, from $17.56 to $16.70, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.84% from a day low at $16.45 to a day high of $17.41. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -4.35% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 13 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 94 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.58 billion. The stock lies in the lower of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $15.85 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -12.45% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $13.88 and $20.59 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Ford Motor stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $17.36 and $19.80. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 14, 2022, and so far it has fallen -33.70%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and this stock should be followed more closely. Support, risk, stop loss. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 96 cents between high and low, or 5.84%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.17%. Our recommended stop loss, we hold in negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Ford Motor stock a buy? Ford Motor holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. Current score, -5.138. Insiders are positive, buying more shares than they are selling in Ford Motor. In the last 100 trades there were 4.33 million shares bought and 2.23 million shares sold. The last trade was done 12 days ago by Farley Jr. James D., who sold 8.03 thousand shares. The large amount of stocks bought compared to stocks sold indicate that the insiders believe there is a potential good upside. In some cases larger purchases can be explained by due date for stock options. Predicted opening price for Ford Motor of Wednesday, March 2, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 2, 2022, $16.85.